Dive deep into the world of HTML as we explore its fundamental building blocks. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the skeleton of all web pages. It's not just about making things look good, it's about creating structure and meaning. HTML tags are the tools for this job. Think of them as the various pieces needed to build the framework of a web page, each tag serving a specific purpose in laying out the content. Now, let's start with the very foundation of any HTML document. Every HTML journey begins with the HTML tag. This tag is not just a part of the code, it is the very foundation of any web page. Imagine it as the outer shell of a building within which everything else exists. The HTML tag defines the root of an HTML document. It tells the browser that everything enclosed within it is HTML content. This is crucial because it helps the browser understand how to correctly display the web page on your screen. Let's look at a basic example. Picture a simple HTML document. At the very top, you'll see the opening HTML tag. Following this, all the content of the web page, including other tags like head and body, are nested inside. Finally, the closing HTML tag at the bottom signifies the end of the HTML document. This structure is vital as it organizes the content and ensures that the web page functions as intended. It's akin to setting the stage before the actors appear. With the HTML tag set, we move to what lies within. Now, meet the control center of your HTML document, the head tag. Situated at the very top of an HTML document, right after the opening HTML tag, the head tag is where all the preparatory information for a web page is stored. Think of it as the backstage area of a theater, where all the preparations are made before the show. Your web page goes live. Within this tag, you'll find the title element, which sets the name of the web page as it appears in browser tabs and search results. It's the first hint to users and search engines alike about the content of your page. Next, there's the meta element, crucial for defining the character set, keywords, page description, and author. These meta tags help improve SEO and ensure that your site communicates well with browsers and other web services. Then there's the link element, typically used to connect external resources like CSS files. This is essential for styling, linking fonts, or integrating third-party libraries that enhance your site's functionality. Equipped with the head, your web page is starting to take shape. Next up, the body tag, where all visible magic happens. Imagine the body tag as the stage of a theater, hosting all the action that your audience sees and interacts with. This is where you place every piece of content that you want to display on your web page. From paragraphs of text that tell your story, to images that capture the eye, and videos that bring motion to your message, the body tag holds them all. It's the container for hyperlinks, buttons, forms, and even those intriguing interactive elements that keep users engaged. Consider it the canvas where you paint your digital masterpiece. Each line of HTML you write within the body tag contributes to the narrative of your web page. It's essential to structure this content in a way that not only looks appealing, but is also functional and accessible. As you populate the body tag, think of it as choreographing a performance where every element has a role to play. As the body gives life to content, let's structure it with precision. To organize our content, we rely on the versatile div tag. Imagine stepping into a vast library where every book, every article is scattered all over the place. Chaotic, isn't it? Now, think of the div tag as the shelves in this library. Just as shelves help organize books into manageable sections, the div tag helps organize web content into sections or blocks. This tag is essentially a container. It doesn't inherently change the appearance of the content, but it plays a crucial role in the structure of web pages. By wrapping elements like text, images, and links in div tags, developers can group related items together. This makes the web page easier to navigate and manage, especially when it comes to styling. Using CSS or cascading style sheets, these div sections can be styled independently. Want a sidebar with a different background color? Wrap it in a div and apply CSS. Need a footer with a unique font? Again, a div makes this straightforward. With our content neatly organized, let's connect the world. The web is woven together with links, all thanks to the A tag. Imagine the World Wide Web as a vast network of cities. If each web page were a city, then hyperlinks would be the roads connecting them, and the A tag is the construction worker building these roads. The A tag, short for anchor, is fundamental in creating links on a web page. It can link to external websites, connect different sections of the same site, or even link to an email address. The basic syntax includes the href attribute, which specifies the URL of the page you want to link to. For instance, to link to an external site, the A tag is written as follows. This creates a clickable text that takes users to example.com. Internally, to navigate within the same website, use the A tag to link to specific sections or pages like so. And for email links, it looks like this. Clicking this would open up the user's default email program, ready to compose a message to someone at example.com. With links set up, let's list our information effectively. Organizing information is crucial, and that's where all and li tags come in. When diving into the world of HTML, one quickly learns that clarity and structure are paramount. The all tag, short for unordered list, and the li tag, standing for list item, are the heroes when it comes to organizing lists without any inherent order. Think of them as the perfect tools for bullet points in your web documents. Imagine you want to list the ingredients for a recipe, the benefits of a product, or even tasks in a to-do list. Here's how it works. You wrap the entire list within an all tag. Then, each individual item gets its own li tag. It's quite straightforward. The all tag acts as a container, while the li tags serve as the individual bullet points within that container. This method not only keeps your content tidy, but also enhances readability. Users can scan through the information quickly, making it a breeze to find what they're looking for on your page. Now that we've listed our items, let's wrap up our HTML tag journey. Congratulations on taking a significant step in understanding HTML. Today, we've traversed the landscape of essential HTML tags, from the foundational HTML and head tags to the content-rich body tag. We've organized with div tags, navigated with A tags, and structured lists using ul and li. Each of these elements plays a pivotal role in crafting effective and engaging web pages. Now, it's your turn to experiment and integrate these tags into your own projects. Keep exploring, keep coding, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights here on codeZX.